Mabuhay diecast enthusiast! Today we are going to unbox this package from Toy Kingdom. As you can see, the item is very well packaged. Let's open it. Wait, let me get my scissor. Scissor. Can you see what Lamborghini is this? Okay, enough for teasing. Let's open this. They packed this very well. Despite of this self-made box, the item is surely safe. Take a peek, guys. Take a peek. Let's cut on this side. Hop. Since this is from a Laz Mall outlet or a Lazada Mall outlet, they have included this proof. Oop. Toy Kingdom. Can someone guess what model is this? Wait, let me throw this trash there. The item is also wrapped in this bubble wrap safety packing. Let's open this. Let's not cut this bubble wrap because my son loves to play with this. He loves to pop all these bubbles. Yeah. This is it, guys. Huh. Oh, sorry. Can you see what brand it is? It is a Majorette Lamborghini Urus in STX concept model. Oop. You know, guys, Majorette market this diecast in a 5-pack 4x4 SUV packaging. But I'm so glad that I got this in its solo card version, because the other SUV in that pack are not Lamborghini. Two Lamborghinis are in there. The Giallo Oge Lamborghini Urus and this STX concept, which is an exclusive casting from Majorette. But the other cars, I don't need them. And I had the Urus Giallo Oge in a solo card too. So I'd love to have this in this solo card packaging. Take a look, guys. Oop. I'm sorry guys, but as a collector, I don't usually open this type of packaging. It will stay in my barn this way. So that's it. My first casting this year, 2021. The Lamborghini Urus STX concept by Majorette in 164.